Welcome back. There are 28 vigilance cases against government servants pending disposal. Many amongst these are pending since the last 6 to 11 years. This shows how serious and sincere the government is towards weeding out the bureaucratic corruption. Watch this report.
Vigilance inquiries are on against 28 government servants in the state. They are pending disposal. Inquiries are pending ranging a time span of 1 month to 11 years. Have a look at the list of cases against government servants and period of pendency. D.H. Kenodekar, Administrator of Comunidad, 10 years 11 months. Melvin Vaz, ex-CEO Margao Municipality, 4 years. Kalidas Naik, Accountant of Ponda Municipality, 4 years. Suhas Gaitonde, Health Officer Ponda, 3 years. S.S. Naik and Vinu Naik, BDO and EO, 3 years. A.P. Maskaranas, ex-Captain of Ports, 3 years. Muthrula Raida, Lecturer GEC, 3 years. Asha Kamath, Civil Registrar cum Sub-Registrar, 2 years. E.D. Gaude, DYSP, 1 year. Menino Pires, V.V. Sawant, Lawrence Furtado, Director of Information Publicity, Information Officer and Projectionist, 1 year. Vitthal Talwar, ex-Civil Registrar cum Sub-Registrar, 1 year. Chandrakant Shetkar, ex-Mamlatdar Ponda, 1 year. P.T. Parker, Executive Engineer, 1 year. G.P.B. Mhapne, ex-DYSP Airport Immigration, 5 months. S.V. Balasubramanyam, Lecturer, 5 months. Siddhivinayak Naik, ex-Director of Animal Husbandry and Veterinary Services, 4 months. Dr. Mallika Markande, Junior Gynecologist, Azilo Hospital, 4 months. Dr. Agnello M.A. Ferreira, Professor Department of PSM, 3 months. Menino Perez, Director of Information and Publicity, 1 month. Joachim Colasso, S.K. Abdul Samad, Deepak Ghodke, ex-Taxation Officer CCP, CEO Gwal Waste Management, Technical Consultant CCP, 6 years and 6 months. Joachim Colasso, S.K. Abdul Samad, ex-Taxation Officer CCP, CEO Gwal Waste Management, 6 years and 6 months. Jersey Pinto, Civil Supplies Inspector, 6 years. Sandhya Gupta, Rajesh Warang, LPSI PC, 4 years 9 months. Vilesh Durbatkar, Sham Gawas, Police Sub-Inspector, Head Constable, 3 years 7 months. Praveen Kumar Patidar, Director of AHVS, 2 years. Subhash Velip, Mutation Officer, 1 year 7 months. Shobha Dumaskar, Director of Prosecution, 2 months. Vitthal Sawant, Talati, 1 month. However, the government has not mentioned any specific period in which the cases will be disposed of. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Social activists have raised concern over the sewage water overflowing from hotels in Kolwa. Similarly, garbage nuisance is causing hardship to the locals.
Kolwa beach, which is one of the famous beaches of Goa, is in a bad state. Garbage can be seen all over the beach, which causes hardship to locals as well as tourists visiting the beach. Similarly, the nearby hotels' soak pits are overflowing and the locals have to bear foul smell. Stray dogs are seen along the beach. Social activist Alex D'Souza said that sewage treatment plant in Kolwa is not functioning properly.
STP plant plant सारखें चलना तीन सेक्शन आहे तिथं दोन्ही सेक्शन चलताय आणि तिसऱ्या सेक्शनचं आम्ही स्पेशल वचून तिंगा इन्स्पेक्शन गेला आणि तिंग तेगे सारखें काय इन्वॉल्व जाल इलिगलिटीज आहा एक्चुअली आमगेले हिंगा कोलवा आमगे हिंगा जायती हॉटेल बारीक हॉटेल आहा आणि आमी जायती पार्टी गव्हर्नमेंटा कडेन मागला आणि आमचे तितून पंचायतीन येवन घातला लास्ट बॉडी दिवून सांगलेलें की हे जे तरी एक्शन घेच म्हणून आता न्यू बॉडी जालो आहा तेजेर तरी तेमी एक्शन घेचे आणि जे न्यू प्लांट बांदपाचें आहा तें व्यवस्थित करून सारकें आमकां जाय न्यू प्लांट हेजे सिवरेज प्लांट जाय आणि कित्याक इतलो वेस्ट तितून दवऱ्या सोडप म्हणल्यार सारकें न्हू.
A reporter from Madgaon, Savio Dice.
317th meeting of the Council of Institute of Chartered Accountants of India kicked off on 13th August. The meeting would conclude on 15th August. Governor of Goa, B.V. Vanchu, addressed the inaugural function.
Specialized institutions like the Institute of Chartered Accountants of India will have to play a direct and more proactive role in formulating Friends, India has been witnessing phenomenal expansion in trade, commerce, and industry. Our economic reform strategy is gaining new ground. Utmost care needs to be taken to ensure that our corporate and financial institutions do not falter in their functioning.
So we are going to request the Chief Minister, and in fact many Chief Minister has already given a land to the respective branches or to the institute. And personally I am very confident that he is a man with very open ideas, and what have been told to us also by the Goa branch chairman etc. that he is very positive. I will request you also that you can also pursue, because if good infrastructure is coming, then probably it further strengthens the environment in terms of education, training for students, for members, etc.
A reporter from Margao, Samir Bhatt.
Feast of Saint Cajetan was celebrated at Bastora on Sunday. Saint Cajetan is known as the patron saint of the unemployed, job seekers and good fortune.
Feast began with the High Mass by the main celebrant Father Rodney of Mongiri, followed by procession. Later traditional games like Lagori, Gaddani, etc. were organized, and local children enthusiastically participated in the games.
आयज आमचो समाज असो जाल्लो आसा की आमी इंटरनेट, मोबायल, आयपॉड, कंप्युटरायज जाल्ले आसा. आनीक ह्या भुरग्यांक आमी एक खेळ सुरू केला. करून जावन पावसाचो दीस म्हणटच आमच्यांनी जायती वस्तू करूंक जायनात, पूण पावसाळ्याचे खेळ आमी आतां सुरू करता. आमचे भाशेन ते भुरग्यां लागीं पळयल्यात, जावं तोणको बाल, जावं आमी ताका लोबयांनी म्हणटा, ओनेगोऱ्यांनी, जे खेळ आमी आदीं खेळटाले ल्हान आसतना.
A reporter from Mapsa, Sham Sundar Fatte.
News from sports after we come back from another short break. Stay tuned.